Ooh.
We rarely do that.
I know.
I'm Caitlin.
I'm Danielle.
And we're our time of the month.
And we're going to be putting on some makeup today. For why?
For this. For this and the video after. But
Yeah.
we are going to do lazy girl makeup or light makeup. This is not what we would normally do.
We always say this. We always say we're going to do no makeup, and then we're like,
full
wow.
face. So I didn't bring any eye products. I didn't even remember a beauty sponge. Danielle has lent me one. I'm really just trying to cover my eye circles and my dermatitis.
Oh, my eye circles.
And
yeah.
look awake. That's
Same.
it.
I want to look I want to look alive because I'm looking in the camera right now and I feel like I look like a translucent person. I look see-through.
Yeah.
I'm actually going to try to use some things I've never used before, so we shall see how it goes.
I used some Peter Thomas Roth under eye patches. I am going to use just a little bit of moisturizer. It's the Ren Evercalm Global Protection Day Cream.
I am going to try this new thing that Caitlin and I got while we were in the TJ Maxx. It's the NARS Super Radiant Booster Illuminator.
I forgot you got that.
Me too. I haven't used it yet, so I'm going to take that much. I don't know. Oh, this is gonna be a lot.
Oh, it's like my Josie Marin.
Oh God. Oh, that's a lot, Danielle.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Danielle.
So I'm going to take a tiny bit of it.
Oh, Danielle.
And only put it in the areas where I would normally highlight.
Not me. I'm going to put it on my whole face.
Well, we're going to experiment then.
So I'm going to take my dampened beauty blender. I don't have any foundation on it, but Jesus Christ. So
I have the Milk Stick Foundation and then the Milk Liquid Foundation, and I'm going to just blend them a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
And so with this guy, it's a little dry. That's the one thing that I don't love about this, is that I feel like
wet.
I feel like it doesn't blend out as well as I want it to. But that's okay. So we're just going to do this. Like we said.
Yeah.
Lazy girl makeup.
I'm using the L'Oreal Age Perfect Radiant Serum Foundation. This is very thin and liquidy and glowy, which I like.
So I'm going to take the Milk liquid and just do a couple little dots just because it's a darker, well, actually, do I even need this? Uh-oh. Well,
What?
Now I'm going to use it because I just...
Also, this has SPF 50.
We more or less have foundation on.
Yeah, I'm happy with this.
I'm not happy with it, but it's done. It's looking a little dry to me.
So, for spot concealing, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Age Perfect Radiant Concealer. To me, this is very comparable to the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. And I'm just going to cover up the spots that I have.
Okay, so for filming purposes, I am going to like go in kind of hard with the concealer over my dermatitis. In my daily life, I do not do this because I prefer not to, like, to keep as much makeup off of it as possible.
Yeah.
But for filming, I just don't think it's necessary for me to look like this.
Then for my under eye concealer, I'm using the RMS Beauty Uncover Up Concealer. Sorry for the light shift. This is my favorite under eye concealer. I love it so very much. It's so emollient and hydrating.
So for my under eyes, I'm actually going to combine two concealers.
Let me see.
One is the Stay Naked Correcting Concealer, and then one is the Milk one. They are two drastically different shades. That's one of the reasons I'm using two of them and not... You would think I don't even bother trying to find my shade, but I swear I do, and then I'm just wrong. This is a lot of concealer. Why did I do that?
I don't know.
I was doing two. Okay, so we might just have to drag this down our face and treat it like an extra layer.
Now, while I have all my fine lines filled in, I'm going to try not to make any
Sun moves.
expressions, and I'm going to use this number 7 powder and a little bit of this and pat, pat, pat under my eye. How's it going?
I think it's functioning. I just feel like my skin does not look very good, and thus makeup does not look very good.
Mine has been freaking out lately. I don't know why. I don't know if I'm trying different things. But you know, I like to try 8 new things at once so that I have no idea what would fuck my skin up.
Yeah, don't do that. I'm pretty sure that's why I'm in the situation that I'm in. Okay, so I am going to be using Eyebrow. I can't read that.
It's by Makeup Revolution.
But, okay, so instead of putting it directly on my face.
Okay, I think that's probably the best move. That looks pretty good. Should I try it?
Yeah, why not?
Okay, I am going to dot this on my face, whatever.
I would have if it was like
dot, 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 dot.
I think, I mean...
Dot? I don't know.
Is it a bronzer or a contour? What am I doing?
It is technically a concealer.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so
That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm actually going to do...
a really dark shade.
I'm going to do more on the back of my hand, and I'm going to do more fingers now that I feel a little bit more emboldened.
Oh, yeah, this isn't too bad.
I will say the formula is very thin.
Yes, which I do prefer.
Yeah, but I will say, like, coverage-wise, obviously not my shade that I would use as concealer or foundation, but I would definitely give it a try in my own shade.
I did buy it in my own shade, and I forgot to use it. That's really exciting. Oh, I think I like this.
Yeah. I will say I feel like that looks really natural.
Yay, I did something right.
You did.
I just bought it on a whim because to me it looked like the Charlotte Tilbury wand, and this one was $10.
Yes. Okay, so I'm whipping out an oldie, which is the Anastasia Contour Cream Kit. This is actually a moderately new one that I had kicking around in my drawer. I decluttered a little bit and found it. So I'm going to use my fingers to apply it. No, I'm not. I'm going to use this brush.
Okay.
None of these are actually really bronzers, I don't think.
Are they all contours?
Yep.
Why am I using the world's smallest mirror?
I always think that when I see you. Okay, actually this is not what I don't think this is very gray. I think I'm actually gonna have to use whatever you had.
I'm using this one.
No, I think I'm gonna use this. Just to full on bronze. Because this is coming out very gray.
Okay, so I did not tell you what I'm using. I'm using the Tarte Cream Bronzer in the shade Seychelles. I got this last summer and I really love it. And I tend to use a lot of cream products in the summer. Okay, so I feel like I have a little color in my face now, but hopefully it's not too much. I do really like that.
I can't believe how thin it is.
I like it. Winner, winner.
Yeah, I agree.
I think my favorite thing about cream products is that you just can build them up in such a more natural way without harsh lines. Okay, so for blush, I'm going to use the Ilia Color Haze Multi Matte Pigment in the shade Before Today. And I just feel like it will go best with my shirt. And with this, I'm going to just apply a little bit on the back of my hand like we did with that bronzing stick. And dot it on my cheeks.
I mean, I'm pretty into this actually.
I like it.
I would buy it.
I think you should. I'm going to smile and put it on my cheeks and then blend it in with my beauty blender. Oh wow, it's on there.
Wow, that concealer has staying power. I'm using a damp paper towel to just wipe it off so I don't stain everything, and it's not really coming off. So if you use this concealer, good luck. Okay, blushes. I have 3 Glossier Cloud Paints that I freaking love. And I remember when I first bought them, I thought, those are so small, what a waste. But honestly, it could be half this size, and it would be fine.
Yeah, cream blush, it's such a concentrated pigment.
So I am gonna, you know what I've never done? I've never combined all 3. So that's the color that I am ending up with. And then I'm gonna try not to do it. Okay, I actually really love this color.
The color you made?
Yeah. They should make this.
There you go. Tell them.
Glossier, I found your new color. It's just the combination of 3 colors you already make.
Cute. I do like it.
Yeah, I think actually, I feel like I just watched you turn. Also, I haven't heard anyone comment yet on Danielle's earring, and I think it deserves a little attention.
I don't think the lady who sold it to me thought it deserved any attention. Because I was like, yes, I'd like to also purchase this. And she held the box out and she looked at it. She was like, aren't you missing one? And I was like, no, it's just for one ear. She was like, oh, Bobble Bar does that kind of stuff. And I was like,
Yeah,
thank
except
you.
this is more expensive than Bobble Bar.
It was Bobble. This is Bobble Bar.
Oh, it is?
It was still $35.
They look like handcuffs.
Although I wish that I had more separation so that the chain didn't kink right there.
Oh, more separation between your holes.
Yeah.
Same.
So I'm going to use the RMS Magic Luminizer. Wow, hand. So I'm gonna use my fingers. See, the beautiful part about cream makeup, you just use your hand.
So I am going to use the underside of Danielle's new blush.
Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Ooh, got a little, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
So I'm gonna use, this is the Wander Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek. So one is a cheek and then the other one is this like clear glossy thing. And I'm just gonna try it as a highlight because we're going for like natural. But like not natural because you saw us natural. We don't want to look like that. I feel like this might just kind of make me look sweaty.
Oh, I like that look. I want to look sweaty.
I will say I don't want to look matte anymore. I don't want to look dusty.
No.
And I think... Okay, I actually love this. I would buy this.
Can I try some?
I would buy this.
Apologies.
Because it really is just...
What?
Yeah. I feel like I look like I am in like high school or middle school because I didn't have eyebrows back then.
Are you an e-girl?
No.
Are these e-girl looks?
No. I don't believe so.
Okay.
Okay, eyebrows.
Oh, yeah.
There's only one option, and it
Agreed.
is browluxe.
True.
I got 3 colors. I grab them at random, to be totally honest.
I remember you saying that.
That is how I determine what shade my eyebrows will be. It's just whichever one I put my hand on first. I'm gonna use Mystery Brow Gel.
I like to brush them up and make them look real furry and crazy because they always fall a little bit for me. And then when they do, I like them.
Yeah, I push mine all the way up and they look nuts.
Yeah.
Well, I push them up, but then on the sides, I trail like down.
That's what
like
I
I'll flick them out and then just run it.
Flick of the wrist. Flick of the wrist.
Is it all one kind of nut?
Yes, it is. You are welcome.
Salt and vinegar! So good. Okay, well if you've got nuts, then I'm gonna open my jelly beans.
Yeah, I have to eat something.
Have you not eaten anything today?
Oh no, I had 2 eggs and I wish muffin.
Oh yeah, you've had that.
I already know what I want from Texas Roadhouse.
I don't, yeah. I just want baked potato, that's all I know.
My list is long.
Are you gonna get a tomahawk?
No. I want fried pickles.
Mm-hmm.
I want a bloomin' onion.
I've never had one.
I want chicken tenders and I want a steak.
Great order.
Thank you. I planned it. And for my sides, I'm gonna get a baked potato and a salad.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna fuck it all the way up.
If you're gonna fuck it all the way up, like, am I gonna fuck it all the way up?
I'm gonna wear my butter shirt and my jean jacket and I'm gonna reenact that chick.
Please.
I'm going to.
Please. Mascara! I have the Ilia. It's the nicest mascara to wear on its own. But it's not very high impact, I don't think. The color is a soft black, which I like. but it doesn't necessarily give you a ton of volume or a ton of curl or a ton of length, but it just helps to sort of open your eye up. So if you're not really a mascara person, or I don't know, you don't want to like showgirl lashes, good option.
I'm using L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Primer. What's new? And then I'm going to use the world's largest mascara wand by Kiko Milano. Luxurious Lashes Extra Volume Brush Mascara.
Where did that come from?
Ulta. You saw me use it. It was actually really beautiful. But the wand is scary.
Oh, yeah.
You know what song I've had in my head for weeks?
What?
Gullah Gullah Island.
Ooh, why?
Don't know. Come and let's play together.
We had a slightly lengthy conversation at work about Zaboomafoo.
The fuck is that?
It was a thing with a monkey. But
Was it a purple monkey?
no, it was no, it was a lemur. Lemur?
Oh, I like a lemur.
I don't know. It was either a monkey or a lemur. But it was filmed down in North Carolina.
Oh.
At like a real zoo, I guess.
Oh.
Or wildlife refuge or something. But I didn't really remember it, but everyone else did, so I think we were a little too old for it. I recognized it, but I didn't remember it. Like, they could sing the whole song.
Oh.
Have this itty bitty Mac.
Oh, twig.
Yes, I got it at TJ Maxx the other day.
I'm going to be wearing something also from TJ Maxx. This is the Milk Makeup lipstick in Skills, and it's just a beautiful nude, and Caitlin also owns it.
That's funny, I almost was going to wear cream.
Ah.
I have a hard time with them. I feel like they're too light.
Mm-hmm. So, oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Butthole lips.
I never use Skills because it's way too light. I haven't figured out how to use it.
I'm gonna smush a hanger all around it, and then I'm going to top it with this NARS lip oil in Primal Instinct.
I want that.
It's great. It just feels so nice.
Mm-hmm. I want it. Daddy, I want it.
All right, Veruca.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. These are our faces.
You know, it'll do for another video.
I will say, it didn't really seem any faster than when we do normal makeup.
I agree. Well, we were chatting. I am not unhappy with my makeup.
Neither am I. Mean, I'm just unhappy with what's under the makeup. So I don't love my makeup, but I feel like I look kind of dry.
I think my skin looks like skin, which is really what I'm going for.
I think I look a little matte.
Only on your chin.
Yeah, I wonder why.
God, these gray hairs are coming out with a vengeance.
I will say I noticed them more today than I think I ever have.
I think they're just multiplying.
Possibly. Oh well, you look great anyway.
Thank you. So do you.
Thank you. Okay.
Is there anything else?
No.
I don't have a weird question. I apologize. We also didn't drink a cocktail.
Ask us a weird question. How about that?
Yes!
There we go.
And watch our last video.
Watch our next video.
Watch all those videos.
All of them. Because it might be a little while until you get a new one. Oh no, we're going to film a bunch today.
Yeah.
Never mind.
Yo. You know, we're trying.
Okay, we love you. We miss you. We'll see you later.
Okay, and we're gonna cut at it. Zoom wave.
I know. We didn't used to do this, I don't think. And now with Zoom, we do.